Ginger Omelette or Kali Mirch Adrak Omlet. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the omelette recipes and one of the most delicious of the fried egg recipes and one of the most different of the pepper recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the black pepper recipes and one of the most delicious of the ginger recipes. We're going to make black pepper ginger omelette. We've taken around 75 to 100 grams of ginger, peeled and cut into very small tiny pieces. The ingredients are 2 eggs, 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces, 15 grams of garlic, around 20 to 30 shallots cut into small pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Now break in 2 eggs. Into the bowl. Mix the yellow and the white portion of the eggs together. Add the mix. Mix the eggs. Now put in the tomato pieces. Mix in the tomato pieces and crush. Crush the tomato pieces by mixing. Now put in the ginger pieces. Mix in the ginger pieces with the tomato. Thoroughly mix in. And while mixing, crush the tomato pieces further. Mix until it's frothy. Now put in the garlic pieces. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Keep on mixing and crush the ginger, garlic and the tomato. Mix in the shallots with the rest of mixture. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Crush all the ingredients together. Put in 2 spoons of black pepper. Mix in the black pepper with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix in the black pepper. Put in the ginger pieces. Into the omelette. Mix. Thoroughly mix the ginger pieces. Pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated and spread the oil in the pan. Now pour in the egg mixture and let it fry. Let it fry for around 1 minute in high heat, then lower the heat. Now close and let the omelette fry for another 4 to 5 minutes. While closed, low heat. turn it over, and let it fry further for around 1 to 2 minutes. Now the black pepper ginger omelette is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper ginger omelette, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the omelette recipes and one of the most unique of the egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pepper recipes and one of the most different of the black pepper recipes and one of the most unique of the ginger recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.